Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee the old-fashioned way. First, gather your essential tools: fresh whole coffee beans, a reliable grinder, and a pour-over cone. Don't forget a paper filter, a kettle for heating water, and your favorite mug. Using fresh, quality ingredients is key to a delicious cup. This simple setup ensures a rich, flavorful brew every time. Now, let's prepare your coffee and water. Grind your fresh whole beans to a medium coarse consistency, similar to sea salt. For a standard 8-ounce cup, measure about 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Next, heat your fresh water in a kettle until it reaches approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just off a rolling boil. This temperature is ideal for extraction. It's time to brew. First, place your paper filter into the pour-over cone and rinse it with hot water to remove any paper taste. Discard the rinse water. Add your ground coffee to the filter, gently shaking to create a flat bed. Now, pour a small amount of hot water over the grounds, just enough to saturate them, and let it bloom for about 30 seconds. This releases carbon dioxide. Then, slowly pour the remaining hot water in a steady, circular motion over the grounds for 2 to 3 minutes. Your delicious, old-fashioned coffee is ready. Once all the water has dripped through the grounds, carefully remove the pour-over cone. Pour your freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug. You can enjoy it black, or add a splash of milk and a bit of sugar to taste. Remember to clean your equipment promptly after use to keep it in excellent condition for your next perfect cup. Enjoy the rich aroma and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.